In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find trending designs on RedBubble. Hi, my name is David, and if this is your first time watching my video tutorials and you like what you see, kindly consider subscribing, liking the video, and share it with your friends. Now let's start. The simplest way to find what is trending on RedBubble is just by clicking inside the search designs and product. This is the search box, just click on it. And once you click inside that, you'll see the trending searches. For example, Simon Bolivar, ask me to make you smile, soda popping. So this one is potentially from a few days ago or maybe today. So you can just click on that. And once you click on that, what happens is that it's going to show you the number of results. For example, we've got a few like 1,000 results. And this shows that this is a design that doesn't have a lot of designs available as of right now. And if you design around this particular word, chances are you can make some sales if your design appeals to the target market. So you can just check out what's going on. Seems it's some sort of like frog or something. So you just check out. So you see everything is just almost the same thing. So it's potentially this particular animal that's called soda popping. I'm not so sure what that is, but that is something that you can check out. So that's for the daily trends. What if you wanted to just search for anything that's trending? Let's just start off by typing A. And if you type A, you'll notice that there are a couple of things with these pointing arrow that shows a trend of sorts. Ask me to make you smile, Alpha Tauri, Among Us. We can even go to B. We go Brad's Quote, basketball, it's my favorite season, Bella Poach. We can go to C. Christmas Unicorn, Caucasian James, Crazy Shark Lady. So what I'm trying to drive at is you can just use the alphabets. You just type the first alphabet. D, don't eat grass, don't die, don't hate, meditate. So those are some few things that you can design around. Let's say we click on don't hate, meditate. We see the number of designs that are actually using that, and I'm pretty sure this one has a good number, 744. So you can use this especially if you want to pass on a message, and you can see the designs available. These are stickers, meditation and introspection, don't hate, meditate. Potentially that's something that you can work with. Just for example, look at this. This looks good. This looks good. This looks good. So what I'm trying to drive at is you can find trending designs on RedBubble by just typing in just an alphabet. And you see, for example, that's E. Every day should be library day. Emblem for the hearing impaired. Eat, sleep, sweep, repeat. And chances are, since these are trending designs, if your design appeals to a potential customer, then you can make money from that. So if you just press that, you can also add an F, see if there's something else, A. Then if you do an EA, you'll see Earth Shaker, eat, sleep, strictly, eat, swim. Just to point out as I wrap up this video is that if we revolve around what's happening in the world, like Joe Biden and Kamala Harris, just interim president-elect and vice president-elect, then chances are you might have designs towards that. Biden won. Let's say Harris. Let's see. Not yet. But chances are we've got Joe Biden, Donald Trump, Kamala Harris, Mike Pence potentially trending. So that's something else that you can use to design or find ideas around what to design. So that's how you find trending designs on RedBubble. That is the daily trends on RedBubble, or even trends around just typing an alphabet inside RedBubble. I hope this video is going to be beneficial to somebody when you come to creating your designs. Thank you so much for watching this video, and kindly, until next time, never stop learning. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.